driving a rented Camaro in the United Arab Emirates. I'm driving from Abu Dhabi towards Saudi Arabia. The speed limit on this 8-lane road, 8-lane, better than any road I've seen in Australia in the last 5 years, is 160 kilometres an hour. And so you can get overtaken by rocket ships here. Everywhere I look, all I see is power stations, high voltage transmission lines, and cranes. And do you know why? Because they don't give a fuck about anything that we care about in Australia when it comes to energy and net zero. They're just building. They're just building, and they don't care. They're just going to keep building. I've never seen so many cranes in a country anywhere in the world, and I've done a lot of traveling. So why am I here? I came here to find out what is going on over here, why everyone I know is talking about moving here, and what it is about this place that is so attractive. And it's really fucking simple. It's structured, it's ordered, it's clean, it has a low crime rate, it's a high trust society, and it has a 0% company tax. 0%. So in Australia, over the course of the next 12 months, 115,000 millionaires are expected to leave Australia and to remove their money from Australia to another country. And places like the United Arab Emirates are where they're going to. I wanted to see what the hype is, or what it's about. I've got mates that are living here, that have been here for years, and swear they will never go back to Australia. Over here, they welcome business, they welcome investment, and they give you the opportunity to be able to build, which is why there are just cranes everywhere and construction everywhere. If you've lived in the bubble of Australia your whole life, and if you haven't really left the country or the state and had a look at what's happening around the rest of the world, you would never really understand how far behind the 8 ball Australia really is. We have a magnificent country. It should be the type of place that millionaires want to go and live in, but it's not. It's where the third world wants to go and live, because they know they can get shit for free, and that the dumb taxpayers of Australia will just keep forking out for them. Meanwhile, the 1%ers, the people who create jobs, create businesses, create opportunities for Australians, they're leaving. And the only people that are going to be left in Australia will be the ones carrying the tax burden for the never-ending third world migrants that just want to move there and take everything from the Australian people. Anyway, my exploration of the Middle East continues. I can't see a single tree, but I can see thousands of transmission lines just shipping power everywhere.